What are you doing with my glasses, Ariella?
As a picture at a party.
Yeah. A party? Who's having a party?
Wave it. Wave.
Wave?
Wave it. Wave. Hi.
Hi.
Wave it.
What are you eating? Eat some chicken?
Oh, some gum.
No, you gotta eat gum. You gotta eat some chicken first.
First you get chicken, and then you
Wait.
dessert, you have ice cream.
Maybe, but first eat some chicken.
First, and then we're gonna have ice cream, and then we'll have a candy.
Are you gonna eat a piece? Can you eat a piece of chicken, please?
Yeah.
Hello.
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 Eat some chicken?
This is for Daddy, and this is for Mommy. It's for Mommy.
Is it?
Yeah, this is for Mommy, and this is for Daddy.
Okay. Are you not gonna eat chicken? Are you eat something? Are you gonna eat something?
Baby duck.
Yeah!
And
All right. Wave, say bye-bye.
bye-bye.